It's a raining day. Alhamdulillah. We are at the Geylang of the West, alright? To those of you living around the West area, especially Bukit Batok and Bukit Gombak, we are at Bukit Gombak Neighbourhood Centre. Neighbourhood Centre? Neighbourhood Centre, alright? So where Bukit Gombak MRT is, alright? And if you are looking for fast, convenient and delicious food products, let me point you to Pondok Abang Frozen Mart. And if you can see the yellow banner there, we are gonna head ourselves there. So guys, if you are here, what you can get is everything, okay guys? All that has got to do with frozen food are available here, inshallah, alright? So on my left are all the ready to eat makan dishes, and also some ready to cook satay goreng. And we are going to take some satay goreng, bring it back home, and we are going to cook it and going to show you how delicious it's going to be, alright? Apart from ready to eat, we also have all the ready to cook food products. These are all the kuih muih, alright guys, and some of the steamed buns. What we're gonna bring back are the two new products of ours, which is the viral Popia Carbonara and also Popia Ketam Rangoon. And if you guys are thirsty, we've got you covered with all the Salam Cola ranges here. And if you want to feel Arabic Dubai chocolate is also here. If the pasar is closed on Mondays, don't worry. We are open daily, and this is where you can get your pasar needs. Mutton, beef and chicken. And since it's the school holiday period, lots of us are going to go on barbecue. So I'm going to bring back one packet of satay, barbecue it and enjoy it at home.